Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we will be learning how to import Google Contacts to your phone. So first, open your phone app and go to your contacts. Now, you need to click on these three dots at the top right corner and go to Manage Contacts. Here, you need to click on Move Contacts. After that, from here, you need to select your Gmail. Now, you need to select the contacts you want to move to. Now, click on Done. And from here, you need to click your phone here. Now, after that, click on Move and it will move your contacts from your Google to your phone. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.